Ijele condemned the Fulani herdsmen arrested in Abia State and claim is IPOB propaganda. My people, things is happening. Oh. As we talk that one, now the other one, whether they call Ikengo Ronkata. They say the guy don't come outside, the contour say if you get problem for road, just go waka meet any policeman where you see for Nigeria police, say they go give you money where you go take solve that problem or transport immediately. Say Nigeria police are the good police you ever see. This is the situation of when people become confused, when substance they are taking become overdose in their brain, or when they have refused to acknowledge that this society is no longer working for us, but they believe that the enemy, the common enemy they have, they can do with it and come online and say anything they want. So this is when they make a mockery of their self. You watch this video and judge these two videos by yourself. On the other hand, they say one of the Biafra Liberation Army still come aside, come they talk many things regarding the latest development in Igbo land currently. So I go play the videos for one and watch, and we go judge them together in comment section. As they watch, make sure so you share and follow.
It may sound funny, but I think it's not possible. Do you know if you are short of money and you get to any police checking point, then you ask them, where is your supervisor? Do you know if you go to that supervisor and ask for transportation to where you are going, do you know they will give it to you? It's
okay, my people. This thing is happening currently now. This guy you are seeing here on this video is a suspected bandit. Will I say bandit or Boko Haram? Caught today in one of the bushes in Omwahia. Yeah, this guy was caught today in one of the bushes in Omwahia at Abama Olokoro. Abra this guy now, one of the bushes now in Abama Olokoro or Donko Mwara Abama. Kabara this guy, a suspected bandit, a Boko Haram, a terrorist. And these are the things I found out from the very guy. These are the things I found out from the very guy. No, you guys know that election is around the corner. Next year is election. Next year is election, and everybody is looking for the whole strategies. I get you near this election. So let us be vigilant. Let us be vigilant. That place up at this very guy now. That push up at this very guy now. My mind is telling me that this guy will not be. Or guy will not be this guy by this movement. There are still some people inside the bush. I thought some people not gonna hide out. Open at the youths of Olokoro now, everybody can now troop into their bushes. Open at Olokoro, other places in Omwahia. The youth should troop into those bushes. Because this guy cannot come alone. Look at the things from this guy. Look at the things from this guy. When you have from my driving license, army uniform, condom. Now so many things from him about this very guy. So many things about this very guy. So currently now the guy on state CID now. Able to state CID. So the youth, I'm advising the youth to just enter to those bushes. Enter to those bushes. Catch choma. Whenever I check by the more here, catch choma. Punish our navy. Elections around the corner. 2027. Elections around the corner next year. Kalagame election. So nobody should do on the loose garden movement. We're not going to loose garden this thing. Let's be wise. Let's be conscious of ourselves. Thank you.
Now don't they see bastard children? Idiot. Oh, na bandit, na Boko Haram. Why don't I no interview and make it talk, make we know the language when they speak? Why don't I no interview and make we know the language when they speak? Na morning. Umwaha people. Na morning. All this evil will not bring for Igbo. Will not carry destroy him and Anambra State. When I say no go reach on, he must reach on. Ndo Umwaha kwe furu Abia State. You see you people. He must reach on. Umutoso that are now running away from Imo and Anambra State. Go to Umuahia, that is where they are tolerating this your rubbish. That is where they need Imwere Onwe. Go, all of you now, march to that side. okay, Okadunum cake. Oh, it's Boko Haram. This one. No be local. Yeah, him just from nowhere. Carry himself there inside that bush with all these things. No be this carrying for where all those criminals they wear for Imo State be this. No be this. Una afubeghị ya kwefuru unu ihe ọjọọ anụ unu si na ọ dị mma n'Imo steeti ọ ga-eru unu n'Abia steeti ihe ọjọọ niile unu si na ọ dị mma n'Ọsụ ma n'ihi ala ma n'Orumba North Orumba South Oji River ọ ga-eru unu niile n'Ụmụahịa ọ ga-eru unu n'Abia steeti niile rube hụ unu hụrụ akpọkeshi ona never see anything nke unu ka na-afụ preamble aka na-abịa all of you will pay for your evil. All this evil you supported on a useless bastard son Nnamdi Kanu set up all these camps, ruined thriving states. Unu chena kunu gadi. Tonda gabobu unu niile. Keep repeating that rubbish. Una amakwana ebe hash. Don't know where they are coming from. Is this sad? Oh, na Bukara now na no interview them. Useless set of people. Ndara.
Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, lovers of freedoms all over the world, the freedom fighters. Greetings to you all. Anybody that come across this video, I want this video to go viral to Donald Trump, the President of America, the Prime Ministers of America, the Prime Minister of Israel, and the President of Israel. I want all the youth, Biafra youth, to hear this message, especially the President of America, Donald Trump. This is a talk comes out from the lion. Donald Trump, we have got a little patience enough. Nigeria is killing the innocents too much. The soldiers of Nigeria, they don't have sympathy to secure lives and property. I want you people to look into this Biafran issue before it will be too late. What happened to South Africa during their freedom fighting? Let it not happen in Nigeria. And let this word do not pass by through your ear and come out to the other ear. Let this not be a deaf ear to you people. Let you people come right now to make peace. Give Biafran their freedom, let Biafran go before it will be too late. The way the Nigerian bandits and Boko Haram are doing things now, they are crossing their boundary. They are crossing their boundary. They are no wickeder than the Biafran youth. They don't have mind more than the Biafran youth. When Biafran youth will rise, there will be a serious problem. The government of Nigeria, hold your bandits. Hold your bandits. You people should stop killing and let you people negotiate and free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and give the Igbos their freedom. That's why I'm telling you people this. Before it will be too late. The eyes are full of blood. The mouth have shut. The nose smells the dead bodies. And the hands is ready to pull a trigger. Let everybody in Biafraland be serious. I've told you this before. They have come to kill you people. They will put on khakis. They will put on uniform. They are not the real army. They will put on a different kind of uniform. They are not the real forces. They are all bandits and bokos around. Who they have killed him. Is no coming back. Deltas, open your eye. Imos, open your eye. Anambra, open your eye. Enugu, open your eyes. Abia, open your eyes. All this, I'm telling you people, it must surely come to pass. I told you people before, from now to December, game will change. From now till next year, game will see change. And when game will change, they will not understand. P2B, who knows P2B should send this message to him. Remove your hand for anything called election. No matter the money you spend, no matter whatever you go through, you will not still win that election. The future ahead is Ahmed Bola Tinubu that will still win that election. I tell you this word. And Tinubu may be the last president in Nigeria. Let every rich man, every poor man, every standard, every native daughters, every pastors wake up and stand in one tree. Oshobe is not be one man work. Oshobe na multitude people work. A tree cannot make a forest. Let everybody wash your eyes with a clean water and fight for your freedom. The only way peace will reign in the country, things will be right, is when they release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and give the Igbos their freedom. I am telling you people this. It is not by the strength of human, but is by the strength and grace of the Almighty Chukwu Okike Abiyama. Let everybody listen and listen carefully. They are ready. They are occupied in Biafraland to kill people and destroy and burn their houses. The saboteurs in Igbo land will point their houses. If you have quarrel with anybody, they will go and tell them that you are not Biafran soldiers. They will come and burn your house and kill your children. That is what is going to happen. If you are a youth in Igbo land, God has blessed you all. God has given you people wisdom. God has given you people mind, and God has showed you people talent to defend your land. You can't just wait for God to come down and fight for you. It's your time for you to rise and pick up your weapon. Cross your mind, hold your God, and fight for yourself. Let this stand in your mind that if you pull your mind and you are afraid of those uniform body, you will go for nothing. They will kill and they will go cut-free. Let me tell you people, prepare yourself. I'm still telling you people, prepare yourself. Prepare yourself. The time is coming. It has already come. Let me tell you people, Nelson Mandela does not guard of freedom with honey and sugar, neither with tea or coffee. Nelson Mandela went through the shadow of death again and again before he got a freedom in South Africa. The same way it may be in Biafraland. Gentodi Yahoo and Makeup Putuzo. Don't be afraid of anything. Even though they call you all sorts of names, bear it in mind that your hands are clean and your mind is pure to save your land and the land of your forefathers. And the generation for to come will never forget your people. and will never forget us. Let our generation now fight for the generation to come. God be with us. No one can defeat Biafra, and there's no one is ready to defeat Biafra. We are the strongest, and we are the pillar of the land. God bless Biafra, and God bless the people and the freedom fighter.
My people, now don't see am as it dey happen. Now so they take bring am come for this place. More now they watch and see how they take talk am. No be tomorrow they go say na pump you for that talk. Oh no, now wetin they talk now we bring on show na. More na watch. Now drop your own opinion in comment section.